Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to see how to run IDW interpolation in ArcGIS Pro. So IDW stands for inverse distance weighting. It's an interpolation method used to estimate values at unsampled points based on the values at nearby known points. So let us begin with an Excel data. So let me open this Excel data. So you can see here I am having a rainfall distribution for each locations. So you can see here I am having around 26 locations. For each I am having the rainfall distribution in millimeters. So let us first see how to import it into ArcGIS Pro. So for that, first let us copy this lat long values. As you can see here, this lat long values is being given in degree, minutes and seconds. So we are going to convert it to DD, decimal degrees. So after copying it, you can just paste it over here. So this is the longitudinal value, this is latitude value. So I'm going to combine it together so that the processing time will be shortened. So I'm going to paste this below, and after that we are going to select it. From top to bottom we have selected it, and go on to data and please select text to columns. Now here you can see delimited and fixed widths. So I'm going to choose fixed widths, and after that click on next. So now you can see here we are going to separate it, the values from this degree and from this wordings. So I'm going to choose like this. So first we have separated the degree, and followed by that we are going to separate the minutes. So like this, and finally we are going to remove this direction with the second symbol. Okay, right? So every time it won't be coming correctly. Some here and there it will be going forward and backward. So I'll be showing you that. So click on next and finish. So now you can see here we have separated the degree, minutes and seconds. And now let us delete the fields. I have deleted the field degree. Now I'm going to delete the minutes. Before deleting it, just go through it. Is some values will be there sometimes. So just check for it. And finally we are going to delete this. So now we have deleted it. So now you can see here some symbols will be there. We need to check it thoroughly, or you can just copy it. Home. So here you can use find and select. Instead of that, select replace. So now paste it here. You can copy this symbol. This is seconds. Copy it, and you just need to replace it with nothing. So select replace all, click OK. Now it is done. As you can see here we have got it. So now we are going to convert this from degree, minutes, seconds to decimal degrees. So there is a formula for it. So use is equal to, first select degree, and we are going to add it with minutes divided by 60. 60 is nothing but seconds. Once again we are going to add it with seconds and divide it by 3600 seconds. Right? Now click on enter. So now we have converted from DMS to DD. Now just click on, you can click on this from the top. You can click here and you can just drag it. Automatically you can see here how it has been converted. Right? Now we are going to copy it. First we are going to copy the longitude value up to here. paste it as number, and after that we are going to copy the latitude value, copy it, paste it as number, like this. You can do it. Now you can just clear this and always have a backup copy, paste it over here. Now you can save it, and once again we are going to save it as CSV file format. So move on to file and please select save as and browse to choose the location. So here at the down below I am going to choose CSV comma delimited. Click on save. Yes, replace it, click OK. So for me already it was there, so it was asking me for replacing it. So once it is done, we can directly move on to the ArcGIS Pro. From now we can convert that table to point values. So that is the next step. So you can see here add data, and you can find points from table. So choose X and Y table to points, right? So here we are going to input our table which we have saved as a CSV file. So click here and browse for it. So you can see here this is the file name which I have saved, the latitude and longitude value with the rainfall data. So click on the CSV, and after that we are going to choose the X field as longitude value and Y field as latitude value, and followed by that you can see here we have to set this coordinate reference system, geographic coordinate system, GCS, WGS 1984, right? And if you want to save it to any particular location, you can choose browse and save it to any particular location. So I'm going to give some name for it. Rainfall stations. Now click on OK. Now it is done. Click on run. So you can see here we have converted the lat long values to points. So using these points we can interpolate easily. So now I am going to add one more data. So I am going to add my boundary file. You can see here. So you can see here I added my boundary file here. This is an watershed. Now in order to run the interpolation, we are going to use geoprocessing tools. So that you can find it in analysis section, and under that you can find in tools. So you can see the toolboxes. You can directly find it over here at the top. Just type in IDW and you can see spatial analysis tool, geostatistical analysis tool. So I'm going to use geostatistical analysis tool. Now at the bottom you can find it, right? It has been automatically selected. So after clicking it, now we are going to input our rainfall stations, right? So inside this rainfall station, let me open it and show you. This is same as the Excel data, right? We can see it has the rainfall for each station. It has the rainfall. So using that we are going to run the IDW. Move on to geoprocessing. Here in the Z value field we are going to select rainfall, and you can see output raster. Choose it. We have to save it. So I'm going to name it as IDW. Click on OK, right? You can choose the output cell size if you want. Now go on to environments, and here you can see some options in the geoprocessing extent. So here I'm going to choose boundary. So it will be processing based on the boundary which I have inputted, and after that you can see there is a mask option. I'm going to choose here boundary also, because once when you're running an IDW tool or any tool, so for example, if you want to clip it to a particular extent, for example, I just need it till this extent, so I'm using this mask tool. So I'll be getting my results rasters like this boundary, right? Now click on run to begin the process. So you can see here the file has been successfully run, and you can see the raster over here. Now let us drag the boundary and place it to the below, and now you can see here the rainfall distribution map I have prepared. You can find it in the legend. So each value, you can see each color represents some rainfall values. You can also customize it in symbology. You can select symbology. You can choose the color scheme accordingly. So let us use this color scheme from the top. Now you can see here how it is looking like. You can also increase or decrease the classes, number of classes at the top. For example, if you just need 5 classes, you can choose 5, and you can see based on that the results will be coming up. Likewise, you can change the color schemes. You can set it accordingly. For example, you can also keep it like this one. You can see here how it is looking like. So I hope that you have learned how to run the interpolation in ArcGIS Pro. You can also set the geometric interval, whether you want it in natural breaks or you want it quantile or equal interval. So if you click on equal interval, the values will be given in equal interval size. So for example, if you want to reverse this color, you can use reverse symbol orders. From more, you can select and reverse symbol order like this. You can use it, and you can see perfectly the higher rainfall region is on the northern side and the low rainfall is on the southern side, likewise. So if you have any other doubts on this, please do ask in the comment section. I'll be replying to your comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.